Good afternoon, everyone. First and foremost, I'd like to thank Webull Thailand. I think giving me this opportunity to be in front of you all and going through about US market. I think there's everybody know over the last couple of weeks or couple of months, there's a lot of volatility, excitement in the US market, and everybody wants to find out more. Today, we are here to learn about TotalView. But before we go into the topic on TotalView and what is TotalView, I would like to put some disclaimer. Right? While Kun K say I'm a US market expert, I think some of you who raised up your hand earlier are more expert trading the US market than I am. But I'm here to provide information. What is the US market? How the US market is being formed? And how do you use this information to help you navigate the opportunities and excitement that we see in the US market? This is very important, right? You don't know what you don't know, but after you know, you have more confidence to navigate through the opportunities. Right, but again, this disclaimer is whatever I'm sharing is not for any investment advice. Please work with your financial advisors or trade with extra care on your own. Right? So I'll cover 4 main agenda today. First, I'll talk about power of Nasdaq. Who is Nasdaq? While you know Nasdaq as a listed company exchange, Nasdaq is more than just that. Right, so I will share with you. The second is understanding US market structure. This is very important because that will correlate to how well you can make your investment decision. Thirdly, I'll go into why real-time data and depth data is important, and then we'll do a break, and then we'll come off for the heavy topic and the main topic of today, Nasdaq TotalView. Okay, before I start, any question? You guys do not want to know more about me? Okay, my name is Bo. I head up the product management team for data business in Asia Pac. So I travel around Asia, whether it's Korea, mainland China, Singapore, now in Thailand, and I'm based in Hong Kong. I've been in the industry profession for 20 over years in the financial industry, covering the various APAC market. And I hope with some of this knowledge that I've gained, I'll share with you how the US market is different from Asia market or different from Thai market. And hopefully that will give you more confidence again to sail through this opportunity. First, the power of Nasdaq, right? Why I say Nasdaq has power because of this. Number one, Nasdaq, it is not just any exchange that we know of, right? You have heard of New York Stock Exchange, you have heard of CBOE, definitely you have heard of Nasdaq. Nasdaq, it's also in the technology business. So in short, Nasdaq is both financial as an exchange and also a technology, essentially fintech, right? So the value of Nasdaq, when you look at the share price, a lot of this business behind Nasdaq is factored in, right? Because Nasdaq has more than just financial. What are the 3 key business of Nasdaq on the right hand side? Number one, it has financial technology, right? Basically, this financial technology service is really supporting all the, I would say, regulators, exchanges, providing them solutions for market surveillance, application to really monitors the market, right, on the financial technology part. Second is market services. This is the business where we have our listing companies, just like any exchange, and we also provide trading engines to the exchanges in the world. So you see on the right hand side, Nasdaq is powering over 130 global exchanges, either our own exchange or exchange that is belong to other so-called jurisdiction, right? And we have 31 markets owned by Nasdaq, right? So this is, and the third pillar that you see that is the majority of our business and revenue will be corporate access platform. This is where we provide financial insights of listed companies, not just on US company, but globally as well as market data, which is where I belong, right? So I'm part of the corporate access platform, championing the data business or the data, I would say, distribution to the marketplace globally. Okay, I'll add on. Nasdaq, a lot of people, when they think of Nasdaq, only listing of technology stocks, right? You all know about the Magnificent Seven. But actually, if you look at the chart above, right, it is not. the majority of the listed company on Nasdaq are from the healthcare services, right? 26%, right? It could be so-called technology in the healthcare. So there's a lot of potential beyond just technology companies that is listed on Nasdaq. There's healthcare segment, there's industrial, there's consumer, there's financial, right? Of course, the main, I would say, story, a lot has been transmitted during through the news is all the technology company, but there's a lot of healthcare companies and potential also listed on Nasdaq. So continue to explore opportunities through various sectorial opportunity in the listings of the US companies in Nasdaq, right? The other is the power of Nasdaq. As I continue, we work with many global partners, right? Globally, all the major, I would say, platforms uses Nasdaq or collaborate with Nasdaq, right? Some of these familiar names like Charles Schwab, E-Trade, Robinhood, so and so forth, collaborate with Nasdaq both on market data or sending their orders or executing their orders into the Nasdaq trading venue, right? But we are more interested about locally in APAC, Asia, right? So both Webull, can you see Webull, right? And APAC as well. So Webull is one of our global partner, whether it's globally outside APAC or whether APAC. Webull name is here. That's why we have this event, collaborating with Webull, meeting the investors, meeting people like yourself to share insights of the US market. But there are all other well-known names beyond, the names that you know. So we have a lot of partners globally and in APAC especially. Right? What does it mean? I'll come to that portion later.